Hello, in this video lecture, I'm going to explain the Little's Law as a part of Chapter 6, Manufacturing Processes. For this lecture, I have two learning objectives in mind. First, define the Little's Law. Second, understand how Little's Law is used and applied to solve any process improvement problems. Then what is the Little's Law? Little's Law is a formula that explains the relationship among flow time, throughput rate, and inventory. Inventory as work in process inventory, or WIP. Here is the situation. The inputs are coming into the system, they remain in the system for a while, and they are coming out from the system. Here we see that inventory or WIP are defined as how many units are there, or units. Flow time T indicates how long does it take, or the time it takes one unit to flow through a process. Finally, throughput rate R indicates how many are coming through at a time, the average rate that items flow through a process. So these are the three variables. So as you can see, these three variables are related with each other. In other words, there is a relationship between throughput rate, flow time, and inventory or work in process. That is, throughput rate times flow time equals work in process inventory. Here Little's law is inventory equals throughput rate times flow time. Simply put, WIP equals R times T. Little's law provides a simple way of evaluating average process performance. But what makes Little's law powerful is that if we know any two of the three variables, we can compute the third using the Little's law. So here is an example. WIP or inventory equals throughput rate R times flow time T. Or if we want to know throughput rate, then you can simply divide the inventory by flow time. Similarly, to compute flow time T, you simply divide the inventory by throughput rate R. That way you can compute the third variable using the two known variables. Let me take an example. If demand averages 1000 units per day, and if it takes 20 days for a unit to flow through the factory, then what is the expected WIP in the factory? The problem is asking what is the WIP if you know flow time and throughput rate. So WIP inventory is throughput rate times flow time. The throughput rate is 1000 units per day times flow time is the 20 days. That is 20,000 units. That's the work in process inventory in the factory. How about throughput rate? To compute the throughput rate, we simply we can take inventory and divide by flow time. Here 20,000 units divided by 20 days is equal to 1000 units per day. To get flow time, we divide inventory by throughput rate. So 20,000 units divided by 1000 units per day. That is the 20 days. That's for your flow time. So this conversion is very useful when diagnosing a plant performance. Therefore, Little's law can be applied to many different types of manufacturing and service operations in process improvement. Next video lecture, I'm going to explain the sample problems of Little's law. Thank you.